World population 800 crore. 31% Christians, 23% Muslims, 15% Hindus, 8.5% Buddhists, and only 16% who say we don't believe. Founder of ISKCON, Swami Prabhupada, when he came to London, he was asked, Swami ji, आप लंदन क्यों आए हो? तो प्रभुपाद जी रिप्लाइड कि भाई पिछले 300 वर्षों में अंग्रेजों ने भारत से सोना, चांदी, हीरा, मोती लूट लूट के लेके गए, लेकिन भारत का सबसे अनमोल रत्न भगवत गीता लूटना भूल गए, उसका होम डिलीवरी करने आया हूँ. Soul is connected to a supreme controller. Now that controller is there or not, even in India, sitting here, if someone says, where is government? सरकार कहाँ है? मैं देखना चाहता हूँ.
There is no God. We need to create one because there is so much of baggage, so much of stress that we have to, give it to someone. So what is, how do you see generations? Like I have seen in last 10 years, I have seen that shift. People want to go back to roots. There are teenagers who are really interested. It's not about the religion, but it's about the spirituality.
Right.
They want to know why is it so important to wake up at 4 a.m., experience sunrise, go to a mandir. So I have seen that curiosity. So do you see that shift happening? Because you interact with so many people across generations.
Since you are in media, all of you know, since you are running a media business market,
True.
customer is king, markets are important. So first analyze the religion market. World population 800 crore. 31% Christians, 23% Muslims, 15% Hindus, 8.5% Buddhists, and only 16% who say we don't believe. So still there is full 84% of the world population who are following some form of religion in some way. Well, keep that aside. The important thing is that in India, there are only 70,000 hospitals, but more than 2 million temples, just in one faith, Hinduism. How can there be so many institutions running unless people have some connectivity and some experience and some benefit?
True.
The founder of ISKCON, Swami Prabhupada, when he came to London, he was asked, Swami ji, आप लंदन क्यों आए हो? तो प्रभुपाद जी रिप्लाइड कि भाई पिछले 300 वर्षों में अंग्रेजों ने भारत से सोना, चांदी, हीरा, मोती लूट लूट के लेके गए, लेकिन भारत का सबसे अनमोल रत्न भगवत गीता लूटना भूल गए, उसका होम डिलीवरी करने आया हूँ. तब से लेकर आज तक 55 सालों में केवल इस्कॉन ने 55 करोड़ भगवत गीता वितरित कर दिए 80 भाषाओं में. Can you imagine that the Bhagavad Gita we are printing is in Arabic also, is in Russian also, it is in Chinese also, it is in Spanish also, Portuguese also. These are people who have never heard of Krishna or Ram or anything. But it's a science of the soul. There is a soul is connected to a supreme controller. Now that controller is there or not, even in India, sitting here, if someone says, where is government? सरकार कहाँ है? मैं देखना चाहता हूँ. अरे कहाँ से आप खड़ा कर सकते हो? डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर को आप खड़ा नहीं कर सकते. मंत्री और प्रधानमंत्री तो दूर की बात है. तो इसीलिए किसी को भी देखने के लिए एक योग्यता होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए एक मार्ग होता है, और तब जाकर हम उसके अधिकारी बन पाते हैं और तब समझ पाते हैं, देख पाते हैं. Similarly, when it comes to spirituality also, when it comes to God, we should know that just like air cannot be seen but experienced, right? The breathing cannot be seen but experienced. Like that, the supreme controller is someone who cannot be seen with these eyes, but his presence is experienced by various things which are happening around us. And therefore, one of the biggest questions we need to ask is, what is suffering? To not get what you want and to get what you don't want. So if I am in control, then how is it that in spite of not wanting something, things are being imposed upon me, like during the COVID?
Correct. True.
Believe me,
Hmm.
post COVID, in all our temples in ISKCON, the number of people visiting has grown by at least 5 times.
Oh wow.
And out of that, 60 to 70% of the people are youth. So it's a very fascinating phenomena, and I can say that in India we are very fortunate that the core DNA
Hmm.
of the people and
Yes.
especially the youth is very, very spiritual. We just need to create the right ecosystem, the right kind of support system, the facilities, and people immediately lap it up just like fish takes to water.